Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a bronze smoky eye. I've created this look specially for Onam. I have worn a black and gold kasavu saree, but you can of course wear it with the traditional white and gold. So let's get started. I'm going to prep my skin using a MAC Strobe cream in Goldlite. This hydrates my skin and gives it a beautiful soft glow. Next I'm going to go in with concealers. I'm not using any foundation for this look. I'm using the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealers from NYX. The thing I like about these is that they are quite high on coverage, so you can actually skip foundation and they stay really well. And I also like how blendable these are. So this is all I'm using for coverage today on my skin. Once I have blended that down properly, I'm going to fill my brows using that darkest color from this eyeshadow palette. This is by Revoution Pro. It's a really good value for money and good quality palette in this price range. Then to set my base, I'm using the loose powder from K Beauty. This is really finely milled and doesn't give a cakey powdery look. Now starting with the eye makeup, I'm going to use a really smudgeable and dark kajal. This one is by Sugar. For a smoky eye, try to use something which can be smudged easily rather than using something that sets into a smudge proof finish too quickly. I'm going to use these two dark brown matte colors, and after creating that smudged base around my lash lines, I'm just setting it with a bit of these dark matte brown colors and just giving it a nice diffused look. Then going to go in with these two, using the lighter brown to further extend my crease, also using a little more of kajal along my lower lash line just to intensify the smokiness of the look, and then adding that bronze eyeshadow on my lid just using my finger. Make sure the colors are nicely blended together and the outer corner is connected. Then finishing the look with some mascara. Mascara makes such a massive difference, as you can see here. I'm also going to add a pair of false lashes. These are from PAC, the M72 Lashes. Make sure the lashes are nicely aligned with your natural lashes. Eye makeup done, and now moving on to the face, I'm going to use this bronzing powder by MAC. This is quite sheer, so it doesn't add a lot of color but just adds a bit of warmth to the skin. Now for the lips, I have two options for you. The first one is by L'Oreal. This is the shade I Explore, and this is a light brown color. If you have a deeper complexion, you can try this one. It will work as a nude for you. For me, I'm adding in a little bit of that Lakme 9 to 5 Mousse. The shade is called Nude Cushion, and this is more of a peachy color that I would recommend for people with light and medium complexions. I've used this not only for the lips but for the cheeks as well. Now adding some highlighter, I'm using one of my favorites. This is the Master Chrome highlighter by Maybelline, and the shade is called Molten Gold. This is such a beautiful highlighter, gives a really nice high shine finish. I'm using it in the inner corners of my eyes as well. I feel like highlighter is so essential when you're doing a festive look. Finishing off with a bindi, and that is the final look. I had so much fun creating this look, and like I said, I'm wearing a non-traditional black and gold saree, but you can of course recreate this with the traditional white and gold. If there are any other traditional looks that you would like me to create for you, do leave me a comment in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.